Hello, and welcome aboard to another video of our How To series. In this video, we will walk you through the exclusive Design tab of our editing panel. Let's get right into it. Start by logging into your account and move on to the editing panel. Click on Design to create a simplified yet elevated presentation design. To change your presentation's theme, click Themes section and start by exploring the themes we created for you. You can try any theme you would like to see in your presentation, and the best part is, you can do it with just a few clicks. For example, I'd like to change my presentation's theme to a different end. In this deck, I use the Creative Seville theme, but I would like to see it in the Elegant Nancy theme to see if it fits better. Now that we have chosen our theme, let's move on to the Style section. Click on Style, and you will be presented with font family and color palette options. To change the font type of your presentation, you can click on Font Family and feel free to try and choose the best option from our variable font family. Or, you can import your company's font to make it more customized. But please be aware that uploading your font feature is accessible to our business users. Now, we can focus on color palettes. You can change the color palette of your presentation by choosing from the palettes we present to you, or you can create your palette by clicking on the colors. You can either choose from the Recent Colors section or click on Edit and then plus to create a new color. To customize your colors, simply click on the color of your choice, then hit the plus button. You can select the perfect color for your presentation by dragging your mouse or entering a color code. Once you hit plus again, your newly selected color will be saved to your library. After creating your color palette, you can make it more specialized by playing with the colors as much as you want. Move on to the Colors section to view all the options for changing your element's colors. You can change any element's color by clicking on the option you'd like to change, and it will be applied to all of the slides. By activating the Swap Colors option, you can create a new color section, and when you click on the Swap Colors key at the right top of your slide, the changes will be applied to your slide. If you don't like the changes, you can click on the Restore Colors option to reset all the changes. And that's it. With Decktopus' wide range of design options, creating specialized and appealing slides in just a few minutes is incredibly easy. Enjoy presenting and have fun using Decktopus.